So someone was asking me how they could actually define their coils. Now, if you look at me, you see this one is, is full because I've not added water. Okay, but over here, you can see that is better and the coils are being defined. What I did was, you're going to get a spray bottle. You need a spray bottle. You need a leave-in conditioner. You also need water. The less product, the better. So, leave-in conditioner, water, your spray bottle, and your comb does the job, right? Now, what I did was I used a hawaiian. I added a bit of hawaiian inside this bottle with water. Okay, this is good. Only this does the job. If you have curlala, you could go in a little bit of curlala, and this is okay. If you don't have either of these, get a good leave-in conditioner. Okay, add it in bottled water and boom, you're good. Okay, I went ahead and added this little small but mighty leave-in conditioner inside the water. Just a little bit of this I added, and my Hawaii. Basta. It means finish. Sefane. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay. Then I made a video on layers that it depends on the way you actually the technique and the way you're going to go in and blow out the hair and all of that. That gives it the beauty of everything. That's the volume and all of that. Yeah. Now this one, but this is when it's dried. This is when it's wet. I prefer this look. My God, it's beautiful. I only added a little bit of the product I mixed, and what I'm getting, and I'm loving it. Now you're going to go in with this, okay? You're going to go by section. I always recommend going here by sections, either in coils, either layers, either deep, whatever waves. Section does the job, okay? You're going to go in by section. You're going to go in by sections better. Now, what you want to do is to make sure that this hair goes in. This teeth, you see this comb? You see teeth where this comb carry comb? So you want to make sure that this hair goes in. Okay. Ah. 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 It's another thing to get the product. It's also another thing to get the brush. And another thing to know how to. So don't just go ahead and do like this, and do like this, and do like this, and you expect the best. You see coils. You see the difference with this one. Are you seeing it? You're going to take it section. You're going to go like this. Make sure that as you're twisting your hands is entering, and then you're going to do what? Bring it down. Finito. Come Italiano. Finish. You don't need to do much. Okay? And that's it. That's how you maintain your coils. Let me go ahead and do another one added to what I've done. Okay? Please be generous with this one. You see this, make sure you did. Be generous with it. No fear, put on. You're going to go again. Okay? You're going to twist. Okay? What we want is, now the first time I think it's hard. So what I will do is I will comb out. If you go in with smaller sections, it's better. Okay, you're going to go in and do the second one again. And guys, this is it. It's not hard. Just you see that? It should come out from here. You take it like this. Like this. That's how it works, okay? And here, you'll be able to define your coils like this. You know how, just, and when it's like this, another thing, you either leave it to air dry or you go in with this. Okay, your diffuser. What you do, if you want to give it volume, you take it up like this, wedge it there, and then you go. Okay? Like this, okay? You pick it up like this. If you just want it to just dry, you're not bothered about volume, you can just take everything and that's it. Not much. But this is another important thing. Women, when it comes to our hair, we have to have everything intact, right? It might be easy for me because I have every other thing like this because I'm into hair. But if you don't have this, you could actually leave it to air dry. You might probably doing it on a mannequin and leave it to air dry. Okay, I don't know. I would advise you to go with just your blow dryer with, you know, it has another, I have another teeth, it's inside my bag, the normal one for hair drying. I would prefer for coily hair you go with your diffuser. If you don't get diffuser, dry like that. Dry like that. What are you gonna do? Dry like that. Ciao, see you in my next video.